Father Agnel Ashram, situated in Vadgaon Shiri, Pune, is administered by the Society of the Missionaries of St. Francis Xavier, which is also known as a Pilar Society. The society is mainly involved in educational field, outreach programs, and charitable works. The society is spread across many parts of India and overseas countries. In India, it is divided in 4 provinces and 1 region. The Pune campus comes under the Agnel region. At Father Agnel Ashram, Pune, we have 3 different entities: Father Agnel's Vidyankur School with a junior college, Father Agnel Hostel, and Pilar Vidya Sadan, a formation house for the students of philosophy. Father Agnel's Vidyankur School caters to over 3,000 students. The school has a pre-primary, primary, and secondary section and a junior college with science and commerce streams. The campus has a clean and green environment which inspires the students to imbibe the values of cleanliness and love for nature. Father Agnel's Vidyankur School is a leading school in Pune with its holistic education in all aspects of development. A special thing about our school is the practice of meditation for all students and staff. It helps us to be calm, aware, and be focused in our studies and work. Students learn many values like brotherhood, love, and unity as the traditional programs of Palki, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Eid, and Christmas are celebrated. The days of national importance like Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, and Environment Day are celebrated in order to inculcate respect for our country and nature as well. Annual functions like Annual Day, Grandparents' Day, and Sports Day are celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor, and all our students get a chance to participate in these annual gatherings. The school provides ample of sports facilities for the students' physical fitness. Recently, the management has set up an international standard turf ground and a basketball court in the campus. The school facilitates coaching in football, cricket, basketball, volleyball, hockey, kabaddi, kho-kho, and athletics. The school believes in preparing students to be leaders and influencers. Therefore, we have opportunities for the students that help them go beyond their books and bags. Some of the facilities which make this possible are robotics, music, and art. Father Agnel Hostel, popularly known as Bal Bhavan, takes care of the children coming from families that are poor. Currently, there are students from the pre-primary up to standard 12th. Besides getting free and quality education in our school, all their material needs are met. Each child is cared for and is provided a safe place for developing their intellectual, physical, emotional, and spiritual abilities. The Pilar Fathers continue to work in their mission and serve the Lord, thus carrying forward the charism of the society. For this cause, they draw their inspiration from the patron St. Francis Xavier and the society's saintly member, Venerable Father Agnello de Souza. May God bless and guide the society, its members, and all their collaborators in this noble mission. We also pray for Father Agnel's Vidyankur School that it may keep growing and shining on the path of excellence.